one of the biggest things you always see is, yeah, I did all this work, I did all this work. Now, if there's not receipts, and yeah, you could have receipts, but pictures are great too, because you want to just show that, hey, things are getting done. You know what I mean? It's important. You know, I'm glad I'm down here. I took the ride. The suspension's done. Now they're trying to tackle this. Turns out I actually need an alternator. I thought it was a water pump. And the reason, of course, I thought it needed the water pump is because the bearing noise. And the alternator was charging fine, but it's just, I guess the bearing went out in the pulley, so that's the deal. You know what I mean? Oh, this thing looks terrible. It looks like the Exxon Valdez in here, sir. Actually, underneath isn't that dirty, though, for whatever reason. It's just this top point, you know? And that's all just water from taking the thing apart, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right.
I
Cool.
mean, the oil is, it was here. The oil.
Oh, all right. Yeah. It's like fresh. Europa parts. They were the only